The rain hasn't stopped since you left. It drums against the window pane, a constant rhythm like a heart that refuses to quit. Tonight, the old phone rang. The one we bought at that dusty antique shop, the one with the cracked receiver. I picked it up, expecting only the hiss of an empty line. But then I heard your voice. Just a whisper caught between the static and the storm. You said my name? Was it just the wind? A memory playing tricks on me? The line went dead, but the scent of rain and your favorite lavender filled the room. The phone sits there, silent on the table, and I wait. I just wait for it to ring again.